Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to cover an app that was recommended to me by a friend of mine. Now we were at a barbecue and the subject of my inability to look after a plant or anything in the garden at all came up. And I'm fine with that. I know that if it doesn't have a plug attached or any kind of OS, then I'm usually pretty weak. Now they recommended an app to me that after using it for 10 minutes, I knew I had to share with you. PictureThis, at its very simplest, is a database of plants, trees, and almost anything that grows in your garden. You can take a picture of a plant and within seconds it's been identified and the care information that you need to ensure it lives for something approaching its recommended lifespan is presented to you. Let's take a look. So this is the app in the App Store. It's called PictureThis, as I say, and the rating of the app speaks for itself. It's got an average of 4.7 after 115,000 ratings, so you may be able to see why I was so blown away. Now I'll tap it to open for the first time on this phone. Then I'm going to tap continue here. And you need to either allow or deny PictureThis to track your activity across other company apps and websites. This is entirely your call on this, of course, dependent on your standpoint. I'm just going to tap allow here. When we come to the pricing, so PictureThis is free, and I do use the free components of it because whilst I want to be better in the garden, it's not really my passion, and I won't even begin to pretend that it is. However, if I was a gardening enthusiast, then the premium price for this at just under £30 per year does look very good. And I'll show you the benefits that you get from the premium part of the app when we get a little further through. But I'll tap up here and cancel. Then next we have some notifications to allow, and this is a good thing to allow because you get reminders for things like when to water or fertilise your plants. Then we have a short demo of how the app works. Now you can skip it and go straight to identifying your own plants by tapping here, but let's just see the demo. I'll tap Let Me Try. And you just have to imagine here that you're pointing your camera at this particular plant. So I'll tap the green circle. The plant is analysed, and then a result is displayed. Okay, let's see this in action. And I'll try to keep the sound quality as good as I can here, but please bear in mind I'm going to be lifting up all of my equipment now coming out into the garden. So I'll tap Identify My Plants now. Of course, need to allow access to the camera. There are some tips on display showing how it looks if you're too close or too far away. And here we have a rose. And even I know this is a rose, but what type is it? Well, taking a photo is easy. I'm actually going to swipe across to the left so that I'm in AR scan, which will automatically scan the area for a plant. Okay, that was quick. It's a tea rose, apparently. Right, let's move, come over here, where we can see I've got a pot here that's got a few different plant types in. So I'll just hover here. And that was quick again. Looks like I've got a carnation. Right, what's this yellow one? Just here. Okay, I'm just trying to get it in view. It's like any app that auto-detects stuff. There is a bit of trial and error getting it dependent on light and things, but there we are. And this is a Cape Marguerite, apparently. I'll tap the little pop-up there, and I can see a short summary. And now I'm going to tap Save to My Garden. Yes, I'm enjoying this, but not right now. Okay. I'm now going to tap the collection of plants that I've just captured down here in the middle. I can either add them individually by tapping on the button to the right, or I can just tap Add All. Okay, time to pause now because I'm going to head back into my recording area.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.